So when I look at this question, right, it says that 1/4 of Tom's money is equal to 1/7 of whose money?
Jerry.
Jerry's money. Very good. So when I say that, it means that a part of Tom's money is equals to a part of Jerry's money. So what we are going to do is Tom, we are going to say 1/4 is Tom over here. All right. And for Jerry, we'll write 1/7. All right. Can you see that the total is not the same?
Yeah.
Are you able to see that the total is not the same? Very good. Okay. So can you see that a part of it is the same?
Yeah.
Can you see that a part of it is the same? Both is 1 unit and 1 unit, right? It means that a portion. Can you understand what I'm saying? A portion of it is the same, just like the ping pong analogy that I've just used to help you to understand. Right? Sentence number 2 says, if Jerry, what did Jerry do? If Jerry has $490, so what do you think that $490 is? Very good. So we say that 7 units is actually equals to $490. This is the first thing that I want to do. Correct or not? Then after that, the next thing I want to do is to find Mr. Green Man. Agree so far? Alright, how do I find Mr. Green Man? I just simply have to do 490 divided by 7. Alright, so I write down 490 divided by 7. Why divide by 7? Because how do I get from 7 to 1? I divide by 7. True? Alright, I will get to an answer of $70. Make sense or don't make sense? Okay, then I go on to sentence number 3. How much more? Keyword is the word more. How much more money does Jerry have than Tom? So what is their difference? Their difference, as you can see over here, what is the difference over here? Very good. So we are asked to find what is the value of 3 units, right? So we go 70 times 3 and we get to an answer of $210, and this is my answer for this question. So in this question, you can see, right, 5/8 of Goofy's toy cars is equal to 6/7 of Pluto's toy car. Correct or not? So Goofy over here, all right, we have 5/8 over here. For Pluto, we have 6/7, right? What is the keyword? The keyword here is equal to. So do they have the same total?
No.
They have the same
No.
numerator. We have to make numerator the
Same.
How do I make numerator the same?
Times 5 times 6.
Okay. And then we'll get to 30 over.
35.
Another one is 30 over 48, right? So one is 30 over 35. Pluto is 30 over 35. Yeah? Okay, move on. They then decide to combine their cars.
And sell them at 3 for $5.
Okay, all right. So we say 3 cars. For how much?
$5.
Okay, we can find later how much did they make in total. All right. Now, in sentence number 3, it says, if Goofy has
78 more toys.
how many? Very good. 78 more toy cars than Pluto. What am I supposed to do right here?
The answer.
Write down first, 48 minus 35 units. We get to 13 units. And we can see from here that 13 units is actually equals to 78. Make sense? So we find Mr. Green Man first. We do 78 divided by 13. And we get to 6. What are we going to find? Remember just now how they said they are going to combine everything. They said, Pluto said to Goofy, hey Goofy, let's combine our total. How do I find the total?
48 plus 30.
48 units plus 35 units. Am I making sense? All right, so 48 plus 35, we get to 83 units. How many cars are there in 83 units? Don't need to tell me the answer, I just want to process.
6 times 48 and 6 times 35, and the answer plus 85.
All right, or you can do just 6 times 83. Am I making sense? So therefore, I have 498 cars. When they combine, they count, and Goofy says, hey, Pluto, you know what? We have 498 cars in total. Does that make sense or no? Okay, so the total number of cars is 498. Okay, this is the total number of cars. Okay, read the question. How much money? You see, the question is asking for how?
No.
What does it mean to you when it comes to how much? The dollar sign. Correct or not? The value. Am I making sense here? What is the value? How do I find the value first?
This divided 498 divided by 3.
And then?
That even then that answer times 5.
Absolutely, very good. Okay, so over here, what we want to do is we want to say 498 cars is basically how do I get from 3 to 498? Am I making sense? Okay, when I do 498 divided by 3, I get to 166. From here to here, I times 166 as well. True? True or not? Alright, and that will get me to an answer of $830. Hi everyone, if you like this video, you can click right here for a similar video, or you can view our playlist here.